Hello, this is a test video, test recording. What we have here is Katla, caldera, and we have earthquake locations from 2011 till yesterday actually. Now this is down to 6 km depth, all earthquakes, I think, yes, all magnitudes. So what we actually see here is this stacking of earthquakes here. It's nicely seen. What this actually is this is a 1918 eruption site. And it looks like a channel down to the magma chamber, at least a side of it. We also have stacking here, which is the 1755 eruption, which goes kinda sideways. And we also have this area of interest here, which is below the rim, the eastern rim. And what we have here is the whole vertical profile of earthquakes under Katla. Now this is kinda up to scale actually. So if we go up, you can see the caldera rib, or at least the outlines. If we look below it, you can see these deep feet. Earthquakes go all the way down, but they go kinda northeast. It's a big void here, actually, directly under the caldera at this depth. This could either be some molten material there, the secondary magma chamber that was suggested, which could be here actually, because otherwise there would certainly be more quakes here. And of course, if we look bottom up, just to render it, you can see again this spike of earthquakes, which is the 1918 eruption site, or this is below it. It's nicely seen. We also have this site, which is a 1755 eruption site. This is all the way down to 30 kilometers, up to scale. You see some Godabunga earthquakes here. These continue to the left. The most obvious stacking of quakes is of course this one, 1918 site. The last eruption, the last explosive eruption.